Important day for metals, where already we have seen a little rise today with the market open in gold and silver. Now what to expect today? Specifically later in the day we are going to see volatility with the release of data, US CPI inflation data. Now what to expect from the data, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next critical update will be released before the US CPI data. Do not miss that. Definitely it will help you in your trading decision. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Before leaving the video, just press the like button. Do share, subscribe and comment to the maximum. Also, you can press the bell icon and join my Telegram channel where you get the live updates. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now if you observe, see higher bases are getting created: 1910, 1925, 1930. Now these three steps are created and gold is trading bullish. Now you can look at first rise, then second rise from 1925 to 1938 levels almost, and this is the third rise. So it appears that the bullishness is getting diminished here. So I will definitely watch out for how it behaves around this zone between 1930 1940, or rather I will say 1932 1942 levels. For this $10 we will be watchful and cautious. Now what will happen if it gives a breakout? See, it appears that it will give a breakout, and the breakout is going to be sharp enough. Be careful here. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is near to the top, and on the 2-hour charts, see it has formed a base here. Since then a megaphone pattern here, a possible retracement can be seen, and then from there it will take off. This is my expectation. Stochastic is overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI near to the top here, and on the 3-hour chart. Now on the 3-hour charts as well, see bullishness getting diminished with this candle. The next candle will decide. Possibly it can try to give couple of red candles here. Till the time 1930 1928 levels are respected, we will be definitely hopeful of a revival, and then 1924 levels. So remember, yes, you can sell at 1932. However, we have to be careful of 1928 1924, these two levels specifically, and then 1920. Below 1920, then you can say that gold is going to crash on the downside. So till 1932 the chances of revival will exist strong. Stochastic looking up, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought here, and on the 4-hour chart similar is the observation. See rise candle, retracement, rise, possible retracement, higher lows, and see a breakout here will definitely bring greater bullishness. Possibly it can try to retrace till here, this zone, and from there a possible takeoff can be expected. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI near to top here. And on the daily charts, look on the daily charts. First of all, this is a greater resistance zone. You can see this. Why this is a resistance zone? Multiple candles getting a push at around this zone. Secondly, you can see the 50 and 100 period moving average coming together here, which is pushing it a little down. Third thing is support from the moving average, the 20 period moving average situated at around 1928, and next is the support at 1924. So till 1924 as respected, possibly we can see a rise. Now how far it can rise? See, it is looking forward to a breakout here, and the breakout can lead till towards 1960. In fact, higher levels also possibility exists for this. So once you see it trading above 1942, see this zone becomes critical. First of all, 1942, 1945 and here 1954. These three levels are very, very critical for gold here for the day. And only thing is, once it breaks out beyond 1942-45 zone, then we can see a stronger bullish candle today. You can also refer to this. See this candle and this candle can be taken for a symmetrical rise. Lower highs are seen. Now this next candle, this candle was still towards 1955-1960 zone, and hence we can see a equally stronger candles, maybe slightly lower than this possibility exists. Also, if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upward. So one thing is clear, till 1932 bearishness is not there. Any drop till towards 1932 is an opportunity to buy. Below 1932 also you can expect a support at 1928 and 24. Only and only you see gold trading below 1924, the bears will pitch it. Hence, stay long till 1924 levels are respected. Possibly we can look forward to a greater rise. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss below 1924, 1920 and 1918 and 1910 levels are the greater support here. Be careful. Uh, if it breaks below 1924, more bears will prevail. On the upside, beyond 1942-45, it is bound to give a greater rise. 1954-55 first target, and in fact, it can break past 60 levels also. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch already started day before yesterday, and 24th batch is going to start in first week of August. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver here. Silver forming the garland here. It is dropped again till towards the pivot levels and the support levels at 23, forming the support here, again looking forward to an upward move. Now see, higher highs are seen, which means the next resistance zone for silver at around 2350, 2360 levels. Remember, we have been talking about this zone since long, because beyond 2360, sky is the limit for silver. It can hit 2380, it can hit past 24 and beyond levels. See, there is a rally, there is a rise, there is a move due on gold and silver both. Now if you look at the support for the day, it's at 2310 levels and then $23 level. These are two greater support for silver. Till the time it respects $23, possibility for it to revive exists is strong. A sell entry today can be taken here at around 2315, 23, rather I will say 2310 levels. Below 2310 only we can expect it to drop. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI flat, and on the 2-hour charts it has formed a reversal sign here. Since then a megaphone pattern trying to stabilize here. I will watch out for how it behaves. Possibly it can. Now see, there is another probability here which is visible. It is seen, the highs, lower highs are seen. I will wait for how it behaves at around $23 levels, and if it drops from there, the next support is at 2280. Till 2280 silver has greater supports, and even it can recover completely from 2280 levels also. Stochastic is overbought, MACD crossing over for buy, RSI flat, and on the 3-hour charts similar observation. Just a point to note, see, this candle is not willing to stay bullish. It is getting a push from the upside. I'll wait for the next candle. Possibly it can try to retrace a little. In fact, we can see it getting support at around 23 or below levels. So a sell entry at 23.10 can be taken. However, 23, 22.90, 22.80 till 22.80 it is just 10 cents trailing stop loss. Below that only we can expect it to drop. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over for buy, RSI trading with a positive bullish bias, and on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts also we can see a reversal sign, and after that we have seen a rise. Now importantly, lower highs, lower lows, so I'll wait for it to break past 2330 again. Once it stays above 2330, possibility for it to hit past 2350 and 60 levels will increase. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. So a buy at 2330 and a sell at 2310. Stochastic rising, MACD bullish, RSI flat, and on the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, after this sharp drop, this is trading in this retracement channel. Remember this fact. Now the peak of this channel is at around 2350, 2360 zone. This is also the 50 and 100 period moving average. The moving averages are converged. I will wait if and only if silver breaks past this zone and shows a complete recovery and shows a candle like this which can take it above 2450 levels. Anything can happen. These are markets. See, if it breaks out, certainly more bullish momentum can prevail. Now second important thing is, so far silver was trading in this channel here. You can see the highs, the drop here, support, retracement, then the drop to the median, and then this retracement. Now see, if you look at this line, you will find this time it is trading out of this channel, and hence it is already confirming a breakout. However, I will still watch out for 2350-60 zone. If it stays above, certainly sky is the limit on the upside. Stochastic is here to near to top. The MACD is divergent in bullish. RSI looking up. Considering this, do not trade between 2310 2330. On the upside, 40 50 60, three greater resistances beyond 60. Sky is the limit. Just stay long there. On the downside, below 2310, you can still expect 23 2290 2280, greater support till 2280 levels, and only if it comes out of this zone, then you can say that a sharper drop will be seen here, and then possibly we can expect 2240 and below levels. Now see, anything can happen. These are markets. Right now it is in the retracement channel. A reversal is going to be equally sharp, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel, and do join my free telegram channel where you get the live updates. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. The next update will be released before the US CPI data. Do not miss that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you later.